Welcome to my YouTube channel, Financial Terms and Conditions of Bnpl Services. Buy now, pay later, Bnpl, services have become increasingly popular in recent years. They offer a flexible payment option for consumers who want to purchase products and pay them later, usually in installments. In this video, we will explore how to use Bnpl services responsibly and avoid incurring interest and fees. So, let's dive in and learn how to make Bnpl work for you. Number 1. Interest rates. Some Bnpl providers charge interest on your balance after the promotional period has ended. Be sure to understand the interest rate you will be charged and factor it into your budget. Number 2. Late payment. If you miss a payment, you may be charged a late fee. Make sure you understand the late fee policy and how much it will cost you if you miss a payment. Number 3. Repayment terms. Bnpl services typically offer repayment plans ranging from a few months to a few years. Make sure you understand the terms of your repayment plan, including the length of the plan and the amount of each payment. Number 4. Credit impact. Using a Bnpl service can affect your credit score. Some providers report your payments to credit bureaus, while others do not. Make sure you understand how your use of a Bnpl service will impact your credit score. Understanding the terms and conditions of a Bnpl service is crucial to using it responsibly. By carefully evaluating your options and understanding the costs and risks involved, you can make an informed decision about whether Bnpl is right for you. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, comment, and subscribe.